Guys, welcome to Pra Fitness. So this is how I invite my people on my YouTube channel actually, and today is a very special day. It's the 25th of July, and I'll be recording everything live today so that you guys get to witness a day in the life of a young gentleman who's here living in Chennai. It's the south part of Tamil Nadu of India where we are, and here it goes. So here's how I'm going to welcome you. And today it's all going to be for the YouTube originals, and I'm going to be doing it in full English so that everyone it's comprehensible for everyone and it's audible. So enjoy today. And they said that the directors and other kind. They said that they don't want it to be Instagram worthy or something like perfect things like that. I was wearing like a very dull T-shirt. I just changed it into this T-shirt, and the lighting I just switched it on so that it will just make this video a bit more colorful, and just my talking, it'll be more exciting for you, so that people spending time on this video, it'll be like really worth the try. But I'll make it as original as possible, everything, because I have a mic. I didn't use that. I want it as original to be as exact, so that you would know the originality of Indians living on the parts of the world and what we do. So here it goes, guys. So to start off with, I was just I was wearing a dhoti and a t-shirt. This is what we traditionally wear in India, so that it's very comfortable. It's air. The air circulation is there from the beneath, so it's a very comfortable thing that we wear when we are at home, and when we are at ease, or when we are working at home. And this is a very good thing. And now I started it at 12 o'clock sharp. Just to start, I was also about to show you this kind of thing that I have over here. Why? Because I want this video to become very special, and I want to win the contest. So yeah, I'll show you what is the meaning of this and what I try to do. So this is what we have. We are Hindus, and we have this kind of a puja. We call it a puja room. So this is the meaning. Puja is the devotion to the god, and where we come to pray. So here we have these kind of things. That is the because I'm into fitness and those kind of things, and we have also already started a very unique thing. So this over here, I'm trying to promote it because it's part of what the well-being of everything that I'm trying to do. And it's for the because I'm into fitness and other kind of stuff, and I'm really wanting people to better their lives, and have a very good and healthy lifestyle. So that's what we're trying to promote. And tomorrow, so yeah, you have the gods over here. So I just wanted to show you that. So I just came and prayed for my video to go viral, and I want to win the contest. And this is what we have. These kind of things that we kind of put it on your foreheads, to show that to have the blessings of the god, and to be successful. That's what I was just doing. So that's we called vibhuti. White thing is called a vibhuti, and the red thing is called a kunkuma. Kunkuma is mainly for the girls, and maybe I say that the white things is for the boys. And there are a lot of description behind that. Maybe they say that the white color, when you put it on the forehead, it has a calming effect for the boys, because boys generally have testosterone and kind of stuff, so they are kind of agitated, and men and boys, and these kind of the red color kind of stimulates stimulates the women and other kind of and their activities, and that's kind of energizing for the women. So that's kind of a tradition that I would understand in a scientific way, because I'm into food science and other kind of I want to uncover and decode things in the universe. So let's go, guys. You've seen all our gods, and we have variety of gods. It's almost like a buffet, right? Because we have so many gods in here. And my favorite is this one. It's a lion, and I'm also Leo when I was born. So I was born in that astrological sign is Leo in my this my religion, and it's called Hinduism. And he is called Narasimha. He's called Narasimha. He's very favorite one of mine. because whenever I call him for protection and other kind of stuff to be more successful. And also we have Murugar. Murugar is our traditional god of of our ancestors. And this is one of my favorite of my my parents, and my dad is this Annamalayar. And yeah, I'm not trying here to promote Hinduism or something like that. It's just that I just wanted to this will be a good experience. We have a variety of things over here. I think this kind of white kind of stretchy thing is like Vinayagar thing, is that he always he's there in ivory form, but here he is detail, he's over here Ganesha. So where do we have Ganesha again? Is do we have Ganesha somewhere else? Here, this is the god. This is the god. So here is Ganesha, and he's over here. And side to him is Sai Baba. So you see him. This is an idol that we have. And this is Saraswati that worship for for all the wealth, and also for studies mainly, if you want to excel in education and other kind of stuff. So yeah, guys, we also have the Lourdes, Lourdes, because I was in France. I'm basically a French national also, so that's a big surprise that you're going to get. So this is the thing from Lourdes in France. So we are very much, believers in Christianity, and that's come from my mother's side, because we got a nationality from that side. So they're very much believing in Christian. But we are all Hindus, but we do believe, very much in. And my favorite also is place is Lord, and with the we call them the Mada. So that's a very very special thing that we have. There is no separation of religions in a house. So that's a big proof, because I'm not trying to promote Hinduism or something like that. No kind of extremist, just saying that. Okay, just to show you this also, it's pretty dark in it, everything is pretty lit and shut down. Not lit, shut down, I guess. So I just want to show you, how dark it is. It's late at night. I just want to show you how it's upside my apartment, and it's quite dark. I should be careful, I don't want to fall down. I don't want my phone to fall down either. So where it goes. No, this that guys, I'm just trying to do something. I was already wearing this before I started the video, because I was working on something for tomorrow. Am I wearing it right? Yeah. So this, I'll show you what it means. So here we go. So while I work and other kind of stuff, this helps to, it's not that I'm sick or something like that, I have back pain or something like that, this is kind to, reduce my belly, that kind of stuff. So that I do, because I'm into fitness and that kind of stuff, bodybuilding, that kind of stuff. So I do that, when we are free. A lot of people do that, but this is a very good technique that you can use it for, for a belt kind of thing, to hold your tummy in place, and abs, you want your abs to short, so that could be a very easy thing. I was working just before I started. I finished all my work so that I can do in my free time basically. So just have a look. Volume up, right? Full screen.
Success. What results? You have to do something about it. You just can't hope for it. You can't expect it.
Kind of hard holding it on selfie mode, and also the tripod. I just have, I just have you guys have the idea of what's cooking, and I'll just let you be the way.
The gym is not just a little exercise here and there.
So you can see where this heading, right? Motivation. That's what we're trying to do here. It's not a motivational video, right? But still, let's get it motivated.
The challenge you're getting ready to do what it's going to take. It's going to take all of you. It's going to take every ounce of your being, everything you've got. If you give it
So yeah, it's some bodybuilding motivation, because I'm going for a workout very soon. I need some motivation because already very tired from work and all the eating. I'm on schedule for the eating and dieting part. No problem for that. Just that. Frozen. That's actually my sister's, you know. I actually wanted to free up space on my phone because I was worried because my memory card is almost full and my internal memory is also full because I do a lot of videos as I said on YouTube. So that's normal. But I didn't get the time. I was working. I didn't get the time. So I hope I'll be doing it now because I wanted to start at 12 o'clock sharp and I was working before. So what's the deal? No, should know. We'll try to do our best. We'll try to come out. Vainqueur. That's a French word. Yeah, I know French. I know like how many languages? I know French. I know English. I know Spanish. I know a bit of Hindi. And oh my, that should be the first thing that I'll share. These are like foreign languages. Tamil. Tamil is my mother tongue. It's a very ancient language that you should be knowing, guys. A lot of documentaries which have been taken. Very ancient language. Tamil. 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 Tamir. You should go check that on Google if you haven't heard of it. There's a language we speak in India. South India particularly. Most regions of India. And there's also Hindi. Tamil is my mother tongue. So, and did I miss any languages? No, I said every language that I know. Have your phone charged? You know, the directory was like, have your phone charged? Have your this thing? We are good to go. You didn't talk about the memory. We need memory on our phones for this big of a video. And also, I don't know if swearing is allowed in the video, and yeah, swearing because there is swearing in this motivational video. That's my favorite, bodybuilder out there, Kai Green. Everyone loves him, Kai Green. They are female bodybuilders, man. They are female bodybuilders killing it. So you should be motivated, guys. So the physique, we should be motivated because you have with testosterone levels. So you should be motivated. Not that they are like a weaker race, but they struggle for to get the pump up, but they are naturally having it. So you should be motivated and sculpt a body. There's Arnold, man. Arnold, wish me luck. Arnold is favorite because here we go. I'm going to show Arnold beast mode, and this is also my tattoo. I'll be showing very often. This is the MP brand, MP Muscle Farm brand of Arnold. Here we have Arnold, the classic pose of Arnold over here. So I really like him.
You can be whatever the fuck it is you want to be. Everybody's got to work for where they're at. You don't just fuck.
My, the earbuds just for some extra music motivation. That will help you a lot. So here we go for the workout, guys. Hope you're all ready. So that they say safe during the gym. So I just go to Planet. got this because my birthday came down lately. It was 14th of July, and I got this special gift. Right? And it's called Profit. I wrote the things, I added it, but it was done by someone and it was presented by someone very special. Share it with you guys so the world can see what's happening. This guy actually joins me in my live sessions. You know, he's there in the back with the speaker with colored lights and stuff like that. It's cool, guys. It's really cool. It's really me. I had a beard. Now it's trimmed out. It is really me. So, going to do what every bodybuilder or fitness personal does after taking a bath. The Johnny Bravo ha 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 hoo. Yeah. It's too hot, man. It's flaming hot. So everything is fixed in place, and I'm going to do something very exciting that you won't know if you have to stick to the end of the video. Guys, the bowl is ready, waiting for me. Interesting, very interesting. Because you saw me eat with my hands, right? You saw me eat with my hands, and a lot of you may be shocked. You say, that's dirty. That's nasty. I would tell you one thing, guys. Indians, we here eat have always been trained to eat with our hands. It's been our culture. It's been our tradition. But more than that, there's science behind all these things to back it up. We have digestive enzymes in our in our hands. So when we eat it, first clean it up. You always have to clean your hands. You have to have clean hands. And when you once you eat with your hands, all the digestive enzymes enter your digestion tract, and all these acids start burning up. So your digestion is, oh my god, it's 100 times better than what you used to be eating with your spoon or fork, which is plastic or it could be of metal kind of stuff. That's not good. So take it as try eating with your hands, but first keep it clean. And then this could be like foreign invention that everyone is having, protein shakes after a fitness meal. But I've changed. Like right now I'm not having any kind of supplements apart from tomorrow morning you'll be seeing that, and even today night I'll be having only one. But everything is natural, guys. Like I've stopped all kind of chemicals, uh, any kind of supplements like that. I've stopped it, and I'm really starting to see results. Only thing is that I'm catching a cold from time to time, so that might be a thing. So maybe I'm overtraining or something like that. So I'm a bit tired. I hope that you guys are all enjoying. It's morning, and I'm going to crash out pretty soon. Very tired. So just a little supplement before. I want to tell, always have plenty an ample of amount of water. Always have a big bottle near you with filled up, so that you keep on drinking, at least 2 to 3 liters a day minimum, guys. If you're exercising, 4 liters minimum. Please keep that in mind. This is the mosquito repellent. Put a gentle rub. To sleep, the light is like very bright. Woke up and for just the morning rituals. Till 7 in the afternoon. So got up. This is early for me. I already Always get up at 1. Just finished brushing and washing my face. I'm gonna have the first meal of the day. So here it goes. It's a delicious taste. Really tasty. Got my medicine bag. I want to put my, here in India we have a lot of Ayurvedic, herbal kind of stuff, kind of supplements, but there are a lot of herbal and organic. That's all for the weightlifting and stuff. I have discovered a lot of things in India and traditional India, and what are things that are being sold that's good for the body, that gives you strength and immunity and other kind of stuff. It's very very I've gone into research into details, so I'm going to take all of this stuff. But sorry guys, it's kind of a secret I'm keeping, and it's all from Ayurveda. I go and research it, and that really helps in a lot of things, giving strength and other kind of stuff. And it's 100% natural. That's the beauty of it. No side effects. You're not going to get any side effects. That's also a good thing. Yeah, I'm using steroids, but natural kind of steroids. So all herbal kind of stuff. So start editing this, beautiful Picasso ad. Have a look, guys. I love it. Auspicious before we go to work today, and yeah, you've already seen this, yesterday night, and here I'm just going to pray before we go. Om Namo Namah Shivaya. Just touch the ground, just to show the respect. And this you would have seen yesterday, right? I think we keep it over here for the body. So Om, that sound, that resonates into your body, and you take energy into yourself, and also cleanses the energy around you. So that's a very good thing to say Om. Everyone knows about that in India, and I always keep chanting that. So that's a very good thing. So that's good thing that I'm trying to do. We're going to go. Just had the mask and water bottle also. Small type of garden in front of our house. There's my sister sitting. This is my mom. A lot of greenery around my house. And this is a garden maintained by my mom, and we have which is the tulasi? Tulasi chedi is here, right over here, and this is, it could be used, auspicious, plant also. Medicinal plant. Medicinal plant also. It can be used for, purposes like cold and flu and fever and other kind of stuff. If you eat this on a regular basis, it can help you on your immunity and other kind of stuff. So yeah, it's a beautiful thing that we have. So yes, we're gonna go.
A small garden, but well maintained.
So here is my flat. This is the front side of my flat. Long, loud bike. I'm not using it during the lockdown. So yeah, the lockdown has had me, not use my bike. I got this recently, I missed it very much. But, again, I've got the bike, but I'm not using it. So this is a special kind of, my favorite kind of thing. And the reason I love, being in India is having this, my bike FZ, and the color is just awesome, guys, Just look at it. This is the other side view. It looks beautiful. The key, best sister in the world. Oh, she's just thrown the key, and we're going to take the car now. Thanks, Aku. Thanks, Akshya. We're going to just start the car. So yes. I'll be, heading the camera to my mom because I don't want to record and drive. So yeah, she'll be recording from. And I'm going to switch on some music.
இருந்துச்சு இந்த பாட்டு எங்களுக்கு ரொம்ப பிடிக்கும் ஆனால்
It's a bit, very scary to drive in Indian roads. We should be very, careful and very attentive. Should be very careful while driving over here. Because tomorrow is a lockdown and everyone is in a hurry. So I'm just going for a very slow run. I'm also filming, so that is not advisable. I'm just doing it for today. So be very careful when you're doing this. All of those who are filming while driving, be very careful, be very attentive.
ரொம்ப நல்லா இருக்கு இந்த மாதிரி இருட்டா வருது
See about this. It's got to be all about marketing this, something very healthy, very nutritional.
நான் பேசுறதுக்கு
Why தான் பேசுது என்னன்னு தெரியல. China Bazaar, it's a shop over here. The light is also good. My mom is here. We just spoke to the manager over here, the ambient manager, so that we can get through, this kind of packaging to the supermarkets. It's actually raining, guys, It started raining, so we got some fruits. என்ன பண்றீங்க இங்க இருட்டுல மாட்டினாங்கன்னா it's a beach, guys. It's called Besnagar Beach. It's a very happening beach, but now is that everything is closed and it's pretty late. I'll just zoom it in for you guys to see the sea level. You can see the sea level, so I'll just get down if you want and just take it. Why you're switching it off? It's a nice music which is playing, and I just switched on the lamp. There are a lot of dogs in India who are sitting on the street, and this is the beach. Basically, you can see it from here. The closest view I can give it to you today. This is the beach and everything. So we're gonna ride home. Actually, it's not been raining over here, guys. That's kind of, I don't know what's happening. So it was raining in that other part of Chennai, but here in near my place, it's not raining. This is near the beach. So we are still in the beach. Just wanted to give you a view. That's sad that it's being closed. But the sky is like blue. I just wanted to take this view of the sky, and it's beautiful. It's beautiful. Everyone is just coming to the the limit and seeing what's happening. So. This is like a beautiful scenery, guys. It looks as if it's raining, but it's not raining. It's pretty late in the night. I mean in the evening. But this is a beautiful view that we're having here. This is a place where we buy food. Regularly. I like it very much. We buy chicken and other kind of stuff. Mughal biryani, so that's a very good spot in Chennai near Besnagar. If you want to come and visit and have a blast and have they have standard food. Their biryani taste. Biryani is one of our traditional foods over here. It's a must try if you come to India. And it's that's kind of kings used to eat it, and it's kind of a rich nutritional dish. You can have it on a cheat day. It's calorie dense also.
Medical shops are.
Even medical shops, that's a good thing. Medical shops are open. Did you show the medical shop or not? Yes. So we are just returning home. And all this place is covered in greenery, guys. So that's a good thing. It's like we are in foreign, we are in abroad. It's kind of, setting. And a lot of people who are like coming out, I mean, maybe even us, we are like coming out. But I don't know if this is the right thing to do. What say, guys? We are like on the verge, and times are changing. So really don't know what is the correct way to proceed after this lockdown. Outa. Those are the food delivery guys. They're also doing a very awesome job. If not, a lot of people who don't know how to cook and show here. Swiggy is coming. These orange kind of guys, they're very popular here in Chennai.
Honeybee.
And they call them the honeybees because they drive very fast in the traffic to get the food delivery on time. They're doing a very awesome job, guys. A lot of youngsters, after they study, they come into this job for, for any kind of, pastime, for part-time jobs kind of thing. And, they're delivering food for a lot of people who are not having food, are not able to cook. They're delivering food for, for income of money, and they're doing a very good job for that. And this is like a tower that we see from our house. I don't know if you're able to see. Yeah. So this is the tower that we see from my house. So yeah. And this is like a very famous bridge near my house. It's almost late over here. But still there's kind of some kind of light, and the sky is like dark blue. and even if it's late you can see some kind of things and people are walking around over here. It was actually a cheat meal today, but I cheated on my meals actually because I just had two pieces of size of bread with bit of cheese before going out. Then I forgot about my meals today, and that's why my body is aching. I really need to get my food calories in now. So we'll be seeing a bit of that, but before that, precaution and security measures were like hygiene measures were very important to me because I studied about that, and I can see everything revolving around my eyes. So everything is done for your best experience today, living into an Indian's house and a life day in a life. So just to entertain you guys and. It was a bit hard when we were filming, while driving. I wasn't driving, I was teaching my mom to film. That was a bit tired because she didn't have her glasses and she was, she was doing her best. But, she could we've done our best. So now we'll be doing something exciting also. Was actually, I discarded the mask. And second thing is that I cleaned my phone because I was filming everywhere. So I cleaned my phone with sanitizer and a napkin. Tissue paper. Then third thing that I did, most importantly, was wash my hands. And also fourth thing, I took a bath. So I'll decode what's in it very soon. Hot. It's going to be served. So this is the beautiful dish that I made, and I'm going to decode it. What I'm going to be eating now, it's rice dipped in rasam. Rasam is like a digestive, kind of sauce that we do here in India, and it's very special because it has a lot of garlic, lot of spices, and it's very, it's a very light dish. But thing is that it can help you in your immunity, clearing a cold or a flu. And this is like my stable standard chicken 65, chicken dipped, small pieces of chicken dipped in oil, and it has a lot of taste and spices infused into it. So this is what I'm going to eat, and also a day of eating of bodybuilders. That's what I'm going to be seeing. So I hope you're going to enjoy this. Just keep it live. And I was taking photos of it, so I'm very hungry. I'm just going to eat it. Okay. I'm just going to introduce to you, my laptop. I've done all these kind of stickerings of cars and biking. I'm a very big fan of car races and bike races. So here you get that the stickering part on my laptop. I forgot to show you this. Yes, I'm going to eat. Very hungry, very hungry, very hungry, very hungry. Always protein first.
Hi guys, my name is Sue or Sienna. You can call me Sue. I'm available for order.
Yes, guys, I'm going to eat with my hands. It's so good. And it's also like a spoon. You use your hand as a spoon. Something, I was just editing a video again, for tomorrow. Going to be special, I already said. But now, I'm seeing something, just finished, and before I go for a live, it was just, all is like a bit, messy, but so I'll just show you the good part of the house, whatever it is. So here we have a beautiful painting of flowers, orchids, I think. What do I call it? So decoration with Mickey over here. From my house. Not which is trying. That was the building that we saw lately when we were driving. The box of spices that you can see in everyone's house in India, a lot of spices over there, all the beautiful things. Here is the turmeric thing. I'm just going to take, these are like important spices that are there, and it's very essential for our, in the middle I think it's cashew nuts. That's also good for the cooking. So I'm just going to take a pinch of, turmeric. Good things have been added, so we call this the ada dosa. So it's very rich, nutritious food that I'm going to take after my workout. And it's a unique kind of dish that is made by my mom. It takes very much of your time, and she takes the effort just for me, for the fitness and the bodybuilding, the session that I'm doing. So just to help me out as I'm on a diet, that this has really helped me out to see progress and results. So, yeah. looks amazing, It will taste amazing, I'm sure. So I'm just gonna have this. So we're gonna be doing something different today, and something very, very, very interesting right now. So you can give it to me, Apu. Thank you. So here it goes, guys. YouTube buddies, hi for the day in the life. So here we are. We are on live actually on FB right now. This is my planning, and you'll see how it goes, how we roll. Thanks to my CC for doing this. Okay, thank you very much. The credits. So we're going to do on live, and this is for a special session, and you're going to see something very exciting right now. So let's go for the 40 ups as I call it. 40 ups, live. I do live sessions like these. Now I'm talking to the YouTuber. I do live sessions like these, regularly, very regularly. Friday, Saturday, Sunday is the special section. So yeah, that was like a tongue twister. So that's what I do, and this is my setup over here, and I do fitness awareness, and I get a lot of interesting celebrities on my show. And this is like, I know now I'm rolling solo today. I'm just rolling solo. So you're gonna see me in action, how I do it. So enjoy it, guys. Is it recording, right?
Yeah.
I didn't practice this, so no problem. All you need is actually a chair. So what I looked into today was Eason sir. Eason, he was going to collaborate with me tomorrow, and he's the Delta Force and he's a commander. So I saw him do deadlifts. So deadlifts, you actually need a lot of weight to do it, and it's a very good exercise because it activates all the muscles in the body. So sir, there is also a dedication for you, guys too. So here we go, and we're just going to do it with the chair. Just try it out right now. Let me figure it out. Yeah, it was like this. Just need to hold the chair like this, and basically, just get into the movement, and we'll do 20 in the beginning. It's not about the weights, guys. It's also about just contracting your muscles, right? You just need particular kind of weights. Just have to have the movement and the contraction on your back. A lot of you might start sleeping, but this might be a view tomorrow morning. So I have my mom and my sister over here recording for me. I'm starting to feel the burn on my back. So that's a good thing, guys. We'll do 20. We'll take a rest. I've done more than 20 actually. We'll take a rest. We'll take some kind of rest now. 20 is actually a very easy set to do. But to just feel the back muscles so that, just have the width in your body. You just have big shoulders and your V cut coming down your chest, on your waist. That's a good thing. Saturday evening. It's pretty late over here in Chennai, so that's for you people, and I'm trying to do something special. No, it's just not for today. I do it regularly, so it's not just for the YouTube or something like that. Just to having already a tight schedule, and I just push this in. And thanks everyone for being there, and just another 20. And as I do every time, this is how I do it. And thumbs up to all the people in the world who want to see me, and it's going to be trending and viral. So thanks for you being here. And I'm going to talk more about deadlifting, and because I'm talking to two cameras at a time, and that's for something very special that I'm trying. And here you see this special kind of caricature. I already showed this, so I use this in my live videos. So you could hit me up, fitness personality, anyone who's interested in fitness, and people like that, you will come and collaborate with me, because I'm open to all kinds of positive people out there. So I was talking about deadlifts, right? Deadlifts actually activates a lot of muscles in your body. The entire muscle groups in your body gets activated when you do deadlifts. But be careful, be very, very careful when you do deadlifts, because as I already said, because you need the position already we made a perfect position. Day, guys, really emotional day. It's been a roller coaster of emotions, and the day is almost over. Just 1 minute left, so I'm just going to sign out. But as I said, it's never the end; it's just the beginning. So always you can tune into my shows. On Facebook. Profit. On my profile and on my page, you have unique and exciting content always. Over there, PRA space FIT. And don't miss my YouTube. I'm doing 100-day profitness challenge. I'm updating on a daily basis about fitness, nutrition, on a weight loss, fat loss for men and women. That's the basic part. I'm just challenging everyone. I'm just motivating everyone, because today is better than tomorrow. So that should be our mindset. And a big shout out for the Day in the Life initiative, for all the directors that they have taken the initiative in Hollywood, and all the people. Best of luck for this kind of a thing, and everyone for putting in their efforts. I've really put in all my efforts, so I hope you're going to love this thing, and this is going to make it worldwide. And also like, share and subscribe to my channel Pra Fitness, PRA space FITNESS, for everyone. And don't forget to press the bell icon, hit it, guys, so that you get as soon as I put a video, you get it on your thing. So it's gonna be an emotional thing. It's like separating. I'm really like feeling like put in so much work today, and like really separating. It's not the end, it's just the beginning, guys. So have that in mind, and I hope you're going to enjoy this vlog, and you're going to share it max with your friends. And hi guys, just to finish off the day, they had asked us to discuss about some questions. So what do I love? I love fitness, nutrition, my girlfriend, and also comes along the way my family. Okay, then what do you fear? I really fear failure, guys, because success is never an option. Okay, success is never an option. It's either success, it's only success that you should be having on your mind. Failure should never be an option, guys. Keep that in your mind, on your mindset. Okay, we are born to win, and we are unique in this world and universe. Okay, every one of us is born to win and succeed. Okay, and I'm very serious about this. It's not just for this. I'm very serious about what I told. Then, what do I want to change in this world? Really, guys, I really want to change the nutritional pattern and what you guys are eating, and what's your physical activity in a day. So I want everyone to become a fitness model. Really, guys, that's what I'm trying to do on my 100-day fitness and everything. I'm just doing this so that I want a big change from my community, from my people, and then going on to the world, to everyone, getting this positive kind of thinking and positive kind of change. I want everyone to be fit and to live 100 years. So that's what we're trying to promote in this channel, and I'm personally doing that. What's in my pocket? Well, what you're seeing is my smartphone is the main thing that I always have in my pocket. It is the small thing that I'm going to use to change the world, here on YouTube. And this is not scripted. This is just I got it in mind, and I'm just telling you. Okay, this is a perfect and a powerful tool that you can use to change yourself, and also the people around you, and also the world, and everything that is revolving around us. You can make a big difference, guys. Start today. Okay, today is always better than tomorrow. Okay, for the well-being of the human species. Okay, because we are here to thrive and to succeed. And just to sign off with, just the small man. That's me out there. That's me. So he's just saying bye-bye. Say bye-bye, man. And we're signing out right now. Pra Fitness. That was it. And Pra Fitness, we're gonna rock. Family. Love you all, my family. Bye. From India, Chennai. Bye-bye. See you as soon